Hello friend, this is Ankush and you are watching my channel Mr. DKD. Today we're gonna talk about top 10 Indian rappers in 2020. So before watching full video, please subscribe my channel and watch full video, and please after watching please like my video. So number 10th position, there is Nazi. So no doubt India has countless talented rappers, but let's take a look to the top 10 best Indian rappers who are taking the Indian hip hop world by storm commercially and in the underground culture as well. So Nazi is also known as Naved Sheikh, is an Indian rapping artist who rhymes in Hindi and Marathi. He released his debut single Apart in January 2014. The song quickly went viral, and Nazi is known for his rap style, in which he heavily uses Mumbai slangs. A film titled Gully Boy, which released this year, is loosely based on his journey and his life struggles. Number 10th position, there is Brodha V. Vignesh Shivanand, better known by his stage name Brodha, is an Indian hip hop artist, lyricist, rapper, and music producer. As an independent artist, Brodha V released a mixtape called Death Punch, which had a limited release and which garnered him some attention from the hip hop fraternity. There is Dino James, who is on number 8 position. Dino James is very popular name among the rappers on internet. He is acclaimed for his realistic approach toward relationships and emotions, which he projects in his songs beautifully. His songs Girlfriend, which talked about fun lyrics of every other relationship, went viral over the internet. Number 7th position, there is Ikka. Ankit Singh Patial, widely known as Ikka Singh, is an hip hop rap artist from New Delhi. He is widely known and appreciated for the kind of music he produces. He has given his rap for many Bollywood hit tracks and has a huge fan following in the commercial and underground rap culture. Number 6th position, there is Badshah. Aditya Pratik Singh Sisodia, also known as Badshah, is well-known Indian rapper and singer for his Hindi, Haryanvi and Punjabi songs. He is widely regarded as a hit machine in Bollywood. He debuted in Punjabi album Born Star in 2012 with Deep Money. His first commercial success came with Abhi To Party Shuru Hui Hai in 2014. He has earned many awards like GIMA Award for Breakthrough Artist of the Year in 2016 and Punjabi Music Best Music Director for the Single Award. Yo-Yo Honey Singh is on the 5th position, and he is often referred as a revolutionary music changer of India who made rap music so popular in country. He is considered as one of the highest paid musical artists in Bollywood. It has been reported that he was paid the biggest fee ever for Bollywood song of 7 million for a song in the film Cocktail and Mastaan. Number 4th position, there is Pradhan. Parichay Modi, better known as Pradhan. He is an Hindi Haryanvi rapper from Karnal, Haryana, India. He started his career in 2009 as a member of hip hop crew Desi Beam. He is one of the most lyrical rapper in the game right now. The 25-year-old demonstrated some incredible songwriting skill in one his laid-back tracks titled Rapper's Delight. Raftaar is on number 3 position, and he is known as Dilin Nair. His stage name is Raftaar. He is an Indian rapper from Kerala. He is signed to perform on 3 records of Punjabi bands RDB. After the split of RDB, he started working with Manch Music of RDB and also started his solo career. He won the Best Urban Song of the Year award for Swag Mera Desi at the Brit Asia Award in 2016. Raftaar has been seen in many Bollywood hits and is one of the first choices of top music producer of the country. Divine is on number 2nd. Vivian Fernandez, also known as Divine, is an Indian rapper from Mumbai. He started his career as an underground rapper in 2011. He began rapping in English, but later he switched to Hindi. He was part of the hip hop crew called Mumbai's Finest. His track Ye Mera Bombay received the Best Video of the Year award by Rolling Stone India in 2014, which was a success in the underground. And number first position is Amiwe Bantai. Bilal Sheikh, widely known as Amiwe Bantai, is one of the biggest names in underground hip hop rap scene. He debuted with a song called Glint Lock in the year 2013 and garnered fame with Aur Bantai in 2014. At present, he is considered as India's trending and most popular rapper. He has over 11 million subscribers on YouTube, which is the highest for any Indian rapper. He has appeared in many videos from 2014, but he became a viral sensation on the internet after the rap battle with Raftaar. So guys, I hope you got enough information about Indian rappers. Please subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you.